So it's been a few months since I've moved to GoldStar Pro, but how am I finding it? That's what I'm going to be going through in this video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger, and on this channel, I look to keep the tech simple. So it's been a few months now since I've been using GoldStar Pro, and to be honest, I have found it very useful, quite easy to use, and I have one or two clients that are actually moving to it now as well. So I'm helping them move from their old system to GoldStar Pro, which is allowing me to learn even more about GoldStar Pro. Now, with any system, there are going to be quirks that you do need to know about, and GoldStar Pro is the same. You know, there will be some quirks with their system. I have found a few. Sometimes when you're looking to create your email templates, they're not actually templates as such as you might find in other systems, where the templates are ones that you can reuse in other emails or, you know, for other campaigns. They are actually pre-built emails that you just then select in an automation or something like that. So that's one of the kind of the little quirks that you need to be wary of. Otherwise, you'll just keep editing the same email and it just doesn't work. So the best way to get around that is to actually just kind of duplicate or clone the email that you want to use, and then just go in and then edit the content. So that's just kind of one of the little quirks. But overall, you know, everything else that I have found works well. Setting up a membership site on there, it did take me a little while to work out where some of the bits and pieces were to edit, especially kind of the login information. But I have found that, and it's been quite easy to use. And then also looking to see how I actually give access to people to some of these courses, because for me, some of them are just free courses that I give access to my clients. I don't really need them to kind of sign up for it or pay for it. So it was just kind of finding out how that worked. But again, that was quite easy once I've gone through all of that. Emails, and this is the big thing that everyone worries about, is what's the email deliverability like? And I haven't seen much of a change in that either. It's been quite consistent. And I don't think changing systems overall impacts your deliverability. Sometimes it can, but as long as you're writing good content and you've set up all the other authentications, etc., that you need to do, then generally you shouldn't have much of an issue. It's just making sure that you keep your list clean and you're keeping the people that are actually engaging with your content. So on that front, everything has been fine. And as I say, I'm now moving a client across, and we're having to set up a few other areas that I haven't necessarily set up on my account, things like calendars, and making sure that those were set up. And again, it's just working through all of that. But generally, that has been quite easy to set up. They have one person that takes most of the calls, but they might have multiple different booking calendars that other people might use to book time in their diary. And it was just a case of setting all of that up and testing it, and everything worked fine. There was a slight issue with the Microsoft Outlook sync, but we did manage to work around that. I think some of the times it's when you are editing a calendar event that might already be in your calendar, that seemed to have been an issue. But that's, you know, just by redoing it, that solved that issue. So generally, I'm still very happy with GoldStar Pro, and I'm going to be diving more and more into it over the next few months as I'm developing my business and using a lot more of their system. This other client is using Pipeline, so we were setting that up. Another area that I don't quite use in my business at the moment, but I will be looking at doing something like that in 2025. So yeah, GoldStar Pro has been great so far. And if you do want to sign up for it, then please do use my affiliate link down in the description, as I'm going to be recording some videos around GoldStar Pro for anyone that is using my affiliate link and signs up. They'll get access to that course once I have finished it. Not quite a course, but kind of the things to look out for type videos and things that you might need to do when you are starting out. And especially if you are moving from other systems like ActiveCampaign, Keep, and a few others, there will be some things that are different. So I'm trying to record videos just to show you what those differences might be, so that you don't get caught out and that you know how those, or what those differences might be and what to look out for. So yeah, if you are looking to move to GoldStar Pro and you want access to that, then please do use my affiliate link down in the description. And over the course of the next few months, I will probably look to record other videos around GoldStar Pro, maybe a few tutorials. But if there is something that you would like me to cover, then please do leave a comment down below and I will make sure that I get that recorded for you. So I hope this little update video has been useful for you. And if it has been and you want to see other content, then please look to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I next post a video. So that's all for this update. And I look forward to showing you how to use it in the future. Take care.